Saturday afternoon, we got the big guns in. Path is going bye-bye. It took us about 3 days to lay it, and it took the pickle 30 minutes to destroy it. And he's already half dug the soil as well. This man is a machine. Every pond builder should have one. When I say every pond builder needs a pickle, oh my word. He arrived here at 2 minutes to 5. Just under 2 hours. He's taken out the whole path, half of the garden, so we can start reshaping. The man is absolutely unreal. But on that note, anyone in the Basingstoke area that wants some riddled soil, give me a shout. Till then, happy ponding. The sun's setting, it's nice and quiet. The chaos has ended. Well, until tomorrow, anyway.